Today I want to share with you a recipe for super easy and quick to make lemon cheesecake that is tangy, sweet, creamy and so delicious. To make the cheesecake you will need a can of sweetened condensed milk, a package of cream cheese, this is 250 grams or about 8 ounces, some biscuits, about 1 per person. You can use graham crackers, digestive biscuits, shortbread, any kind of plain biscuits. I'm using malto milk. You'll also need lemon juice, either fresh or bottled will work, and some vanilla extract or vanilla flavoring. The first step is to mix up your cream cheese. It'll mix up easier if it's room temperature than if you take it straight out the fridge, but I've done it both ways. You can use a stand mixer, food processor, blender, or just a spoon to mix it. It doesn't matter how, you just want it to be broken up and creamy. The next step is to add in your condensed milk and your vanilla flavoring. I use about 2 teaspoons. I usually just eyeball it. Mix them all together until they're smooth and creamy and well blended. Next you'll add 1/3 of a cup of lemon juice. It'll be quite runny to start with, but as it sits there the lemon juice will work together with the cream cheese and it will thicken up. I have also in the past added some passion fruit pulp at this stage, maybe 2 or 3 tablespoons of it, and it is delicious. Next, crush your biscuits. You can do this any which way. I use my Pampered Chef food chopper. To serve, spoon the crushed biscuits into individual cups or bowls and then scoop the cheesecake mixture on top of it. It's just that simple. You can serve these cheesecakes just as they are, or you can choose to top them with something if you prefer. You can put coconut on, whipped cream, blueberries, or like I'm doing here, you can top it with crushed meringues for like a lemon meringue pie type of effect. I hope you've enjoyed this recipe and I hope you'll give it a try. It is so super quick and easy. My boys love it. Grant adores it. He once ate a whole batch because I made it for Father's Day and he thought it was a Father's Day present and all his. Let me know if you do try it and what you think of it. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.